Hi there, I'm Stephen Reed, orthopedic surgeon with Florida Orthopaedic Associates. Today I'm going to answer some questions about knee replacement surgery. A patient asks, is surgery the only option in treating knee pain? No, it's not. Very good question. We strive to do conservative care in everybody that we can to the point in time when we have exhausted conservative measures. Conservative measures include habit modification, which includes lifestyle, activity, strengthening about the knee. We have use of medications that we resort to after the over-the-counter medications are no longer helping with our pain. Then we resort to many times medication, oral medication, and injections that may benefit the patients prior to resorting to surgery.